1. For sale is a stunning 1966 Ford Mustang priced at just $15,500. This vintage beauty has already covered 123,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and features a rich burgundy interior and exterior. It's evident that the current owner has truly cared for the car, as emphasized in the listing, stating that the car is fully paid off, has a clean title, and has no serious damages or issues. Significant work has been done to address rust and install new floors, making this Mustang even more appealing. The seller has also mentioned replacing the standard wheels with originals and adding new carpeting, headliner, floor mats, and even a punny-style Wi-Fi radio. Currently, the car is in the final stages of the project. New pipes and exhaust system have been installed, along with other minor enhancements. This is an excellent investment, especially considering that all original parts of the car have been preserved. The seller notes having too much on their plate, and this stunning Mustang is simply sitting idle. At such a price and considering the work done, it's indeed a lucrative offer. 2. Currently for sale is a beautiful 1983 Cadillac Eldorado priced at $6,000. With an automatic transmission, a stunning brown exterior, and an immaculate interior, this car presents itself as a highly attractive option. The seller has emphasized that the car is in excellent condition. The interior is magnificent, and the vehicle has many new parts installed. Plastic bumper fillers have been replaced, and new tires have been added. The car runs smoothly thanks to new front shocks, a hydro-pneumatic suspension, and new rear calipers and brake lines. This Eldorado also comes with a range of additional features: a factory cassette player, an electric antenna, and a telescopic steering wheel. The trunk is impeccably clean. Interestingly, the car spent a whole 20 years in the garage, giving it a special character and preserving it in excellent condition. The seller humorously notes that this car can not only delight with its condition, but also serve as a stylish way to attract attention. However, it needs an air conditioner recharge, which is the only minor drawback. 3. Currently for sale is an exclusive 1961 Plymouth Prowler Roadster priced at just $27,900. With 65,321 miles on the odometer. This car is equipped with an automatic transmission and boasts a stunning red exterior and interior. The seller highlights that the car has had only 2 owners, is fully paid off, and comes with a clean title. With no significant damages or issues, this rare 1961 Plymouth Fury convertible is a true treasure. The listing notes that the entire car was fully restored in 1996, adding historical value to it. Powering this beauty is a Magnum 440 V8 engine, and the transmission is controlled by a button, giving it additional character and charm. This Plymouth Prowler Roadster is something unique and rare in the collectible car market. With its historical value, beautiful style, and powerful engine, it is a real find for vintage car enthusiasts. 4. Currently for sale is the enchanting 1965 Chevrolet Impala convertible priced at just $34,900. With 65,123 miles on the odometer, this car is equipped with an automatic transmission and is presented in red with a white interior. This Impala has a rich history, having been owned by only 2 individuals. It is fully paid off, has a clean title, and lacks any significant damages or issues. It features a factory big block and stays true to the original with its initial 396 cubic inch engine setup and 2-speed power glide transmission. The convertible is also equipped with power steering, and its top functions perfectly. The car has undergone servicing procedures, including a carburetor rebuild, replacement of spark plugs, wires, and all fluids, making it an excellent choice for collectors and classic car enthusiasts. This Impala convertible is now ready not only to be showcased in your video, but also for exciting adventures on the roads. 5. Currently for sale is the amazing 1985 Lincoln Town Car Signature Sedan 4D, priced at just $4,500. With 130,000 miles on the odometer, this car is equipped with an automatic transmission, has a white exterior, and features a red interior. This town car is in excellent condition, free from serious damages, issues, or rust. The seller notes that the car runs perfectly and moves as it should. It is described as the perfect vehicle for comfortable trips, as if gliding on a cloud. The interior of the car is in great shape, without torn or ripped areas. The body shows no signs of rust or dents. The car is powered by a 302 cubic inch engine, ensuring excellent performance. Additionally, the seller points out that the vinyl top of the car is in excellent condition, without tears or ripped sections. This 1985 Lincoln Town car is not just a car, it's a true stylish and comfortable symbol of its era. It is ready to impress its new owner not only with its history, but also with amazing comfort during travels. 6. Currently for sale is the stunning 1970 Mercury Cougar XR7 for $26,900. With 54,632 miles on the odometer, the car is equipped with an automatic transmission and has a red exterior with a black interior. This genuine Cougar XR7 convertible, owned by only 2 owners, is fully paid off and has a clean title, without any serious damages or issues. A notable feature of this car is its lifelong residence in California, ensuring the absence of rust. The seller highlights that the car recently underwent a $12,000 paint job, adding freshness and style. Significant upgrades have also been made, including a new carburetor and electric fuel pump, as well as a new dash pad and Flowmasters, giving the car an amazing sound. The car is powered by a rebuilt 351 Cleveland engine, providing excellent performance. The roof works perfectly, making this coupe an ideal choice for those who appreciate style, performance, and history. This Mercury Cougar XR7 is a true find for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. 7. Currently for sale is the elegant 1978 Buick LeSabre Custom, priced at just $9,500. With only 21,000 miles on the odometer, this car is equipped with an automatic transmission, has a blue exterior, and a blue interior. This well-preserved 1978 LeSabre Custom Landau is in perfect condition. The seller emphasizes that it has no serious damages or issues, and the car has been fully paid off with a clean title. The car comes with various options such as power locks, power windows, and seat adjustments. The owner notes that everything works except the air conditioner and adds that the car drives excellently and shows no signs of rust. It just needs a new floor covering. Powering this car is the Buick L77 engine with a displacement of 350 cubic inches, paired with a 3-speed THM 350 transmission. The solid undercarriage, supported by the absence of rust on the floor and in the trunk, underscores its reliability. This LeSabre Custom is not only a stylish embodiment of the 70s, but also a road-ready vehicle ready to delight its new owner. 8. Currently for sale is a Project 1978 Ford F250 regular cab, and its price is only $5,200. With 91,517 miles on the odometer, this car is equipped with an automatic transmission and has a black exterior and interior. This F250 Ford ABD with a 400 V8 engine is a project that was operational in the past but started experiencing issues and is now stationary. The car has a straight body structure, but there is rust on the floor, body, and the upper part of the cabin. Overall, the car is fully functional except for the lack of batteries. The seller mentions that they initially planned to undertake a restoration, but decided to abandon the project due to being overwhelmed with other tasks. This F250 provides a potential opportunity for those willing to take on a project, address the issues, and bring it back to life. It's worth a visit, carefully inspect it, and determine how well it aligns with your plans and skills in car restoration. 9. Currently, an amazing 1953 Buick Roadmaster Skylark convertible is available for only $13,900. With only 2,000 miles on the odometer, this car is equipped with an automatic transmission, has a white exterior, and features a red interior. This Roadmaster Skylark convertible presents a unique opportunity to acquire a car assembled by the legendary Mike Ditka. The history of this car begins with Ditka himself, who elevated this car to the highest standards of Restomod quality. It is equipped with an LS3 engine, 4-wheel disc brakes, Art Morrison chassis, air conditioning, and all possible modern conveniences that you can find in this beautiful 1953 Buick Roadmaster Skylark convertible. In 1953, only 1690 Buick Roadmaster convertibles were produced, making this car one of the rarest on the planet. Its uniqueness is highlighted by its Restomont status and, of course, its association with Mike Ditka. The car is fully ready for use and even comes with Mike Ditka's autograph inside, making it even more valuable for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. 10. Currently, an amazing 1976 Ford F100 is available for only $8,900. This truck has traveled 108,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and features green exterior and interior colors. This F100, with a straight 6- and 3-speed column-shifted manual transmission, is a true find. With a driving history of just over 100,000 miles, it was used as a tow vehicle behind a motorhome. Incredibly clean both inside and out, the truck shows no signs of rust. Its engine deserves special attention. A straight 6-cylinder engine with a 300 cubic inch displacement, which has been recently rebuilt and has covered less than 5,000 miles since restoration. This not only makes it clean and reliable, but also ready for long and dependable use. This Ford F100 represents an excellent balance between vintage aesthetics and updated mechanics. Its low mileage after restoration makes it an attractive option for those seeking a reliable and stylish truck for daily use or collecting.